Good morning to everyone. So in the last session, we are discussing how to draw the Bode plot, how to draw the polar plot, how to draw the Nyquist plot. So fourth unit is completed. So today discussing the sixth unit, state space analysis. State space analysis. So the state space analysis, it's flow graph in block diagram reduction technique. So these all are you are obtained in the matrix form. So మనకి ట్రాన్స్లేషనల్ మెకానికల్ సిస్టమ్ అయినా సరే, rotational signal flow graph, electrical systems and root locus, Bode plot, polar plot, Nyquist plots and the time response analysis, these all are obtained in the transfer function forms. So in the transfer functions is obtained is in the form of matrix. సో ఇవన్నీ మనం మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫామ్ లో కానీ ప్రూవ్ చేస్తే విచ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ స్టేట్ స్పేస్ అనాలిసిస్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ యూనిట్ ఈస్ స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్ అనాలిసిస్ అండ్ డిజైన్. స్టేట్ స్పేస్ అనాలిసిస్, there are two types of approaches and analysis and design of control systems. First one is transfer function approach. So the first one is transfer function approach. Second one is state variable approach. Transfer function approach and the state variable approach. So in the transfer function approach, so in the differences between the transfer function approaches and the state variable approaches, so the transfer function approach ఏమా, సో ఈ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ నుంచి మనం స్టేట్ స్పేస్ అనాలిసిస్ లోకి ఎందుకు వెళ్తున్నాం? వాట్ ఆర్ ద డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ అప్రోచ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టేట్ స్పేస్ అనాలిసిస్. ఓకే, సో మనం ఈ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ అప్రోచెస్ నుంచి ఎందుకు మనం స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్ అప్రోచెస్ లోకి వెళ్తున్నాం, ఏమేమి డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఉన్నాయి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ అప్రోచెస్ లో, ఏమేమి అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఉన్నాయి స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్ అప్రోచెస్ లో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఇన్ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ అప్రోచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్లికేబుల్ టు లీనియర్ టైమ్ ఇన్వారియంట్ సిస్టమ్. లీనియర్ టైమ్ ఇన్వారియంట్ సిస్టమ్స్ కి మాత్రమే మనం ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ అప్రోచ్ అనేది చేయగలుగుతాం. ఇన్ ద స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్ అప్రోచెస్ లో ఏంటి, it is applicable for both linear time invariant, linear time variant, invariant and the time variant. So in the both time variant, time invariant lo applicable state variable approach. Okay, so ఏమి ఇక్కడ disadvantages ఉంది transfer function approaches లో, it is not applicable for time variant system. టైమ్ వేరియంట్ సిస్టమ్స్ లో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ అప్రోచ్ అనేది చేయలేం. ఇన్ ద స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్ అప్రోచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్లికేబుల్ ఫర్ లీనియర్ టైమ్ వేరియంట్, లీనియర్ ఇన్ టైమ్ వేరియంట్. ఓకే, సో అండ్ ద సెకండ్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఇన్ ద స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ restricted to single input single output system. ఏమా, సో ఇన్ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ అప్రోచెస్ అనేది సింగిల్ ఇన్పుట్ సింగిల్ అవుట్పుట్ సిస్టమ్ ని రెస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్లికేబుల్ ఇన్ ద ఇట్ ఈస్ రెస్ట్రిక్టెడ్ టు ద ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ ఇన్పుట్ అండ్ సింగిల్ అవుట్పుట్ సిస్టమ్. ఇన్ ద స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్ అప్రోచెస్ లో మాత్రం ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్లికేబుల్ ఫర్ బోత్ సింగిల్ ఇన్పుట్ సింగిల్ అవుట్పుట్ సిస్టమ్, multi input multi output system. SISO, MIMO, single input single output system, multi input multi output systems. Okay, so in the transfer function approaches initial conditions are neglected. Okay, so in the transfer function approaches lo ఇనిషియల్ కండిషన్స్ ని మనం నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. అదే స్టేట్ స్పేస్ అనాలిసిస్ లో ఇనిషియల్ కండిషన్స్ ఆర్ కన్సిడర్డ్. ఇనిషియల్ కండిషన్స్ ఆర్ కన్సిడర్డ్. అదే ఏంటి స్టేట్ స్పేస్ అనాలిసిస్ లో ఇనిషియల్ కండిషన్స్ ని కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నాం, ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ లో నెగ్లెక్టింగ్ ద ఇనిషియల్ కండిషన్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ ద ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఈస్ it is basically frequency domain approaches. In the transfer function approach, it is frequency domain approach. In the state space lo matram time domain and the frequency domain. Okay, and the next fifth one, only input and output and error signals are considered. So in the state space, state variables need not represent physicable variables. And the sixth one is the internal variables can't be feedback. The state variables can be feedback. So ikkada matram in the transfer function approaches lo the internal variables cannot be feedback. In the transfer function, the state variable approaches lo the state variables can be feedback. The state variables can be feedback. And the transfer function of a system is unique. State model of a system is not unique. Okay, so these are the advantages in the state variable approach. What are the disadvantages of the transfer function? These 7. Okay, so first you are discussing the state space analysis. What is meant by state? What is the definition of the state? So in the definitions is very important. State, the state of a dynamic system is the smallest set of variables, state variables, such that the k into n suffix 0, the knowledge of these variables at time t equal to 0, together with the knowledge of inputs at time for t is greater than or equal to t naught, which completely determine the behavior of the system at any time t is greater than or equal to t naught. It is not limited physical systems. Okay, so the state means in a dynamic system in the state variables. So first of all, state variables means state variables chudana. So the state variables means the set of variables which describes the system at any instant of time is called state variables. Emma, so state variables ante entante ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి. This is the control system U1, U2, U3 and so on, Um of t, m number of input variables, and the another side is output variables y1, y2, y3 and so on, yp of t, p number of output variables x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn, n number of state variables, n number of state variables. These are the input variables u1, these are the output variables y1, y2, y3 and so on, yp, x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn, n number of state variables. So in the state variables means the number of smallest set of variables, state variables, such that the knowledge of these variables at a time t equal to t0, t naught. Okay, so the state variables at the t equal to t naught together with the knowledge of inputs. What is the inputs? T is greater than or equal to t naught, which completely determine the behavior of the system at any time. So in the output variables, t is greater than or equal to t naught. Okay, so it is applicable to biological, economical, social, and other systems. So this is called the state. And the state variables means, what is the definition of state variables? A set of variables which describes the system at any instant of time are called state variables. And the state vector, if small n state variables are needed to commonly describe the behavior of given system, these small n state variables can be considered as components of a vector x of t. Such a vector is called the state vector. And the state space formulation means, this is the state space formulation. This is the control system. U of t is the input variables. Y of t is the output variables. X of t is the state variable. U1, U2, U3, and so on, Um of t are called the input variables. Y1, Y2, Y3, and so on, Yp of t are called the output variables. X1, X2, X3, and so on, Xn of t are called the state variables. U1, U2, and so on, Um, these all are m number of input variables. Y1, Y2, and so on, Yp of t is the p number of output variables. X1, X2, X3, and so on, Xn of t, n number of state variables. This is the state space representation. Okay, so all of you see dx1 by dt. So in the differentiation of the state variables, x1, x2, and so on, xn ante enti state variables. x1 dash dx1 by dt ante enti, x1 is differentiation. So x1 is differentiation, x1 dash. x2 is differentiation, x2 dash. xn is differentiation, xn dash. So in the total formulation, n number of state variables, m number of input variables. Okay, so ఏదైనా సరే ఒక స్టేట్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో n number of state variables and the m number of input variables ఉంటాయి. Okay, so x1, x2, x3, and so on, xn, u1, u2, u3, and so on, um. Okay, same in the dx2 dash, same in the xn dash. xn dash, n number of state variables, m number of input variables. Okay, so this is in the notation vector x dash is equal to, in the formulation of x of t is state variables, u of t is input variables. Okay, next, discussing the state model of a linear system. So the state model of a system consists of state equation and the output equation. Okay, the state model of a system consists of sum of the state equation and the sum of in the output equation. state equation and the output equation. The state equation of a system is a function of state variables and the input variables of linear time invariant systems. The first derivatives of state variables can be expressed as linear combinations of state variables and the inputs. State variables and the inputs. ఏమ్మా సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి సో ఇందాక ఆల్రెడీ మనం చూసాం dx1 by dt is equal to x1 is differentiate one time. Then so x1 dash, this is the constant coefficient a11 into state variable. X1 is state variable, a11 x1, a12 x2 plus a13 x3 plus a14 x4 and so on plus a1n xn plus b11 u1 plus b12 u2 plus b13 u3 plus b1m um. Okay, and the second dx2 by dt, x2 dash is equal to, so in the second one a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 plus a2n xn. These are the state variables. These all are the state variables. And the input variables is b11 u1 plus b12 u2 plus b13 u3 plus b1m um. And the second one b21 u1 plus b22 u2 plus and so on b2m um. At the same in the and so on xn dash, where the coefficients, this is the coefficient aij, bij. These are the coefficients aij and the bij are the constants in the state model. Are the constants in the state model. In the matrix form, the above equations, ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా matrix form. These are x1 dash, x2 dash, x3 dash, and so on xn dash. x1 dash, x2 dash, x3 dash, and so on xn. x1 coefficient ఏంటి a11, x2 coefficient a12, x3 coefficient a13, and so on a1n, a11, a12, a13, and so on a1n. And the x2 in the second x2 dash యొక్క coefficients so a21, a22, a23, and so on a2n. Same an1, an2, and so on ann. So in the u1 coefficient same plus b11, b12, and so on b1m, b21, b22, and so on b2m, bn1, bn2, and so on bn. These are the state variables and the input variables. Okay, so the above matrix equation can also be written as x dash is equal to ax plus bu. What is this matrix? Is a matrix. You are considered a matrix. This is a matrix. This is x ax plus this is the b matrix b. This is u ax plus bu. This is x dash. X dash is equal to ax plus bu. Okay, so this is the state equation. State equation is x dash is equal to ax plus bu, and the same in the output equation, y is equal to same cx plus du. State equation x dash is equal to ax plus bu, at the same output equation y is equal to cx plus du. Okay, so the block diagram of state model, this is the block diagram of state model. All of you see this block diagram. U of t is input variable, x dash is state equation, x of t is state variable, y is output variable. This is B matrix, C matrix, A matrix, D matrix. In the state model of a linear time invariant system, two equations. First equation is state equation. First equation is state equation. Second equation is output equation. State equation is x dash is equal to ax plus bu. Output equation y is equal to cx plus du. This is the state equation. This is the output equation. State equation and output equation. Okay, so the applying the Laplace transform on both the sides. Apply the Laplace transform on the both the sides. Emma, so the Laplace transform of x of t is x dash of t. Laplace transform emaidi s into x of s minus sum of the initial condition. What is initial condition? X of 0. S into x of s minus x of 0. So in the a is constant, x of t is x of s, b is constant, u of t is u of s. This is the procedure for apply the Laplace transform. And we know that the transfer function, the initial conditions are considered as 0. So already మనం ఇందాకే discuss చేసాం. In the transfer function approaches, initial conditions is neglecting. In the state space analysis, initial conditions is also considered. Okay, so in the transfer function, neglecting the 0, x of 0 is 0. So x of s is taking in the right side, x of s term is left side. So s minus a. So the a matrix. So for example, s minus a undanukondi. S minus a into x of s. So the A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. So solving this one is not possible. Enduku S minus, for example, 1 0 0 1. Solving this one is not possible. Possible aidamma check cheyandi. S minus 1 0 0 1. Deenni manam solve cheyagalama. This is solving not possible. So you are considered assuming the identity matrix Si minus A. So the A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Consider the identity matrix is also 2 by 2 matrix. For example, A is 3 by 3 matrix. Assuming the identity matrix also 3 by 3. Okay, so Si minus A into x of s is equal to b into u of s. Okay, I is identity matrix. Multiplying both sides with Si minus A whole inverse. you are multiply with both sides with si minus a whole inverse. So x of s is equal to b into si minus a whole inverse into u of s. So the Laplace transform on equation 2 Laplace transform apply చేస్తున్నా. అవుట్పుట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇదేనమ్మా అవుట్పుట్ ఈక్వేషన్. y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into u of t. So apply the Laplace transform. So the Laplace transform y of s is equal to c into x of s plus d into u of s. So x of s already మనం calculate చేసాం కదా, substitute చేస్తాం. c into b into si minus a whole inverse plus d into u of s. This is the transfer function. And in this fifth equation, y of s by u of s is equal to c into si minus a whole inverse into b plus d. Then c into si minus a whole inverse into b plus d. This is the transfer function of the state space analysis, state variable approach. Okay, so ikkada manam mainly three importance. State model. What is state model? State model consists of two. First one is state equation. Second one is output equation. State equation x dash is equal to ax plus du, and the output equation y is equal to cx plus du. State equation x dash is equal to ax plus du. Output equation y is equal to cx plus du. And the transfer function approach, transfer function is equal to c into si minus a whole inverse into b plus d. c into si minus a whole inverse into b plus d. This is the transfer function approach, y of s by u of s. Okay, so these are the transfer function. So today discussing the topics. What are the advantages in the state variable approach? What are the disadvantages of the transfer function approach? Okay, so the differences of the transfer function and state variable approaches. Define state variable, state vector, state space formulation, and the state model of a linear system, and the transfer function. Next, calculate the transfer function of a state model. Okay, so ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి అమ్మా ఒకసారి.